In this video, we'll introduce you to Incredibuild's new powerful observability and reporting features. Incredibuild's coordinator interface is designed to give you full clarity and control of your build activities. With precise data visualizations and reporting, it replaces the tedious sifting through build logs with intuitive insights into build performance, helps optimize processes, and communicate issues across teams. Let's dive in. The dashboard page provides a comprehensive overview of your builds. It's comprised of different segments that let you view your processes and extract reports. At the top, you can use several filters to select the time span covered, as well as the initiator type, build groups, and build types you'd like to see data for. The Overview tab will tell you how many total builds were initiated during the time period, and what the total duration was. The Total Builds area lets you track the total number of builds executed daily, including graphical breakdowns and filters for successful and failed builds. This helps you understand the overall health of your build environment. The Build Runtime area lets you analyze when your grid is the busiest and when there's lower activity. This insight allows you to optimize resource allocation and avoid bottlenecks. The Build Duration graph lets you track average and maximum build durations over time. This visual representation helps you monitor performance trends and identify potential issues. The Duration by Percentile section lets you get a clearer picture of your build durations by percentiles. While average and maximum durations can be overly weighted by outliers, percentiles highlight extreme cases and the most common build durations, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Any of the build metric panels here can alert you to something interesting or unusual. If you notice something, you can now double-click on specific build times to deep dive and understand any processes you notice. In the Builds List page, you get full visibility into individual builds across your grid. See who executed the build, when it was done, the duration, whether it failed, whether it got the helpers it needed, and more. Click on any build to access detailed information in the build report. The build report has a summary tab where you can view essential top-level info such as build details and time, initiator details, as well as errors and configurations. The Performance Metrics tab lets you dive into details of the build. The Task panel shows overviews of task performance, such as how many tasks were executed from cache remotely or local cache, as well as how many failed or had any warnings. The Longest Task panel offers data crucial for precisely identifying build bottlenecks, helping you see where the longest running tasks were executed and spot any problematic helpers that may be slowing down the build process. The Build Cache panel shows how many tasks were cacheable, as well as how many had cache hits as a percentage of the build. Optimizing cache hits through a hit-miss report, available in the Build's Initiator, is yet another way to further improve your build times. You can also get information on how your grid helpers were assisting the distribution during the build, and check for issues like core provisioning and functionality. Together, these acceleration statistics help you ensure that you're maximizing your build's potential. You can always dive deeper into a build with Incredibuild's Build Monitor to see more granular info. To do this, use the build's title and start time to locate the build in its initiator machine's build list. With Incredibuild's new observability features, you're empowered to optimize and monitor your builds like never before. Explore these tools today and take your build management to the next level. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team.